Thank you.
Alrighty?
Alright.
Thank you, Paul. Thank you. The flag?
I think I made that initial statement naman that it's an honor and privilege to serve as DSC chair. So, I just have a very good endorsement chat with my friend Vicky. Kilala ko naman kami ni Vicky since our PBA days when I was chairman and if I'm not mistaken, he was treasurer and a member of the board representing Alaska. So, marami kaming pinagsamahan ni Vicky. So I told you that personally is very happy na ako ang bumalik sa kanya dito. So, ano to guys, big dreams are built on solid fundamentals. I believe PSC has 3 key roles. Number 1, very obvious, you enable our national athletes. Diba, yung sinabi ko, laban para sa bayan, pero ako, pamilya ko, pamilya ko. Number 2, agad natin ng konti yung antas. Let us leverage sports para naman for economic development. Diba? Pag progresibo yung bayan, progresibo yung sports, progresibo yung bayan. Diba? So, gawin natin yun. Diba? Sports is not just entertainment. It is winning so that yung 110 million Filipinos feel happy. Sabi ko nga, when I saw Caloyulo with 2 goals, and of course, may hindi, ang una kong pananaw doon, ang hirap palang kumanta ng national anthem na hindi mo mabuo yung national anthem kasi mabuo yung luha. Number 3, and if you check the mandate of the BSC, which is very clear, yes, winning medals is number 1, primordial thrust. Pero, paano yung healthy citizen? Healthy media. Yeah, a healthy chairman, a healthy ESC crew. Diba? A healthy community, 110, 150 million Filipinos. They also have to feel that the vibrancy the Philippine Sports Nation. Kasama yun sa usapan. Bigyan niyo po kami ng pagkakataon na yung pagsilbi ng PSC at ng mga members of the commission, hindi lang sa agenda, pati sa taong bayan. If we can excite these LGUs, if we can excite the communities, if we can excite people in the provinces, that is grassroots. That is grassroots. So sabi ko nga, we as chairman, and you know naman, galaw-galaw rin ako So, hanggat maaari, I was told there 2 times a month board meeting of the BSC. I will propose to the MATCOM and to the members of the commission na, once a month, dito tayo sa Rizal or sa Ultra, pero once a month, dito tayo sa probinsya ng board. Punta tayo sa Baguio, punta tayo sa Cebu, punta tayo sa Davao, punta tayo sa kung saan yung mga atleta. And let's talk to the NGUs for their support, the mayors and the governors.